Guys, what's up? So, we are doing some streams right here, building a Flutter project. Right, let's go. That's some like we're gonna build this project named MindMate, which will be a which will be my a semester project, which is final year project. Uh, MindMate, yeah. So this is the project in which is a MindMate. I have goals, some of the goals which I have to complete, like primary goal to support student and managing stress, anxiety, emotional well-being throughout the private and throughout the mobile platform, right? So like we are building a projects for youngsters, today in this social media world, everyone is going through anxiety, stress, and emotional like breakdowns, right? So we are like I am building, not a we are I'm alone solo building a one app project in which I'm going to uh, like build these features and functionalities. Yeah, I have design also. Just wait a second. Figma, right? Figma. I have done Figma designs also for my project, which I'm going to build right now. Not right now, but we're gonna start building. Like I have done a login page, not a like proper login page, but gonna build proper login page throughout this stream. Right, let's I'll show you this first. So we gonna build this uh, login page and registration page for sure, for like and connecting through our Firebase. Right, this is onboarding screens which is like when user first time starts the app, like opens the app, and this screens are gonna they are gonna walk through first, right? So get started, and then next, and they gonna redirect to first login page, or if they are not uh, already a user, then create their account. Yeah, then these are some screens which I am going to build. What's that, bro? So yeah, these are some screens, which is this one is a home page. I'm going to build that. This is for like learning purpose only. I'm not gonna I don't have any plans for uh, like publishing this, right? So yeah, so I was searching for my thumbnail. I don't want to make any thumbnails in this AI world today. Now we have AIs to generate images and thumbnails, and also why why should we bother to uh, like create some thumbnails for ourselves? Just prompt and prompt it, and make some thumbnails out of it, right? Yeah, building projects. My, let's go, let's go. Models, text to image. So we are gonna try this stable diffusion because even this give this chat GPT is so much slow, man. Now give give prompt to for thumbnail. Yeah, right. Let's go. Let's go. We have to log in. We'll see what is. You cannot use free credit for this provider. Okay. Then where, like, what can I use for free right now? I'll try this now. Damn, bro. I thought this is gonna be a free for me, but nah. Oh man, this is taking so much time for. I have to build my project also. Damn, bro. Cannot use a free credits with this provider. To use this provider, get good credits. Not gonna buy any shitty things on this. Wow, nice. Try this one. This model isn't deployed by an interface provider. Nice. Wow. Bro, like, did they even provide the free tokens for any, like, what the hell? Stun. Okay. So not like not everything is free on this. Previous I was using some model, I didn't remember that. I don't remember what the model was at, but okay. So I think like I have used those free credits before. That's why let's try on this account. That might work for me. What's the account name? Okay, Flutter Dev. I have one account name Flutter Dev, right? Yeah. I don't have any account for sign up. Wow. let's jump right into the text to image, then stability diffusion, and give some prompts here. Give some prompts right here. Damn, bro, it should like uh, let's just wait for it. It might work. Yeah. Hello. 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 It it might work now. It will take some time because it's a free tokens right there, so that's why it will take some time. But just like let's just jump right into our UI thing right now. So we're gonna make this UI for my for my app right now, and I want to decide some my logos, but it will be here or else I'm gonna do some changes right now, like and bring this to some niche like this and delete. Let's yeah, stop this auto layout and bring this niche, right? And then we're gonna place some logo here which will look something like these, some random logo, right? So yeah, you're gonna make that shit. Damn, bro, it's taking so much time. Yeah, let's just open my YouTube account right now and Gmail. No, 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 no. Welcome to my channel, boys. Welcome to my channel. Not like I'm trying to get back to my channel for sure soon, but for now I'm gonna just upload thumbnail right there, right there, right there. Let's why it's taking so much time. Damn, bro. Damn. So let's start with our project, right? Okay, I have my emulator, and we are gonna use some AI, but not going to copy paste like fully, and we're gonna like check out some code. I want my app should look like this, like AI gonna make his like its changes, but after that after that generating those codes, I'm gonna review those codes and edit some of the things right there. Like if you, according to me, like AI is not a bad thing for us, for coders or for developers or any other, but if you know proper uh, like framework, or if you know, I'm not telling that I know fully Flutter. I'm a really a fresher but yeah, some people are gonna say that ki, like fresh today's freshers use AI for building apps and all. They don't know what like core things are and like particular so and so framework. But we know like some people know like what they are doing in their projects, right? I'm not telling I'm like I'm a big shot in developing, but I'm just saying. So firstly we have to connect our five base CLI to our account. It is there, right there. What's this? Damn, bro. 5 is. So I have to change my Google account, right? I have to change my Google account right there. Bro, this takes so much time. What the hell is me? Like building some. Let's just wait, right? It will make some badass one. Yeah, this one is taking also so much time. So let's go. Let's just take a screenshot of it and right and so if you don't know like what GitHub student pack is, please go check it out. It is fucking amazing thing. So we're gonna use this student pack for building this project and right like we have so much models here. We're gonna use firstly for one like GPT 4.1 and 4.0. Let's just use a Claude. Build this login page similar. Like here is just the art of a prompt, right? So let's just build using it. Not just solely using that. We have knowledge about Flutter. Use that shit in our project. And yeah, like if you're using AI, you should know what you're doing, right? Like you have to give instruction to the AI. Like if you wanna build basic login page, then you have to give login details. Like I have this field, I have this field, I have this and that. If you don't know what they like, what they called, then how you gonna give prompt to AI, right? So that's the thing. Build this login page similar to this design I given to you, and make sure you add random image from placeholder and above white space so I can add my logo there, and any time soon. So it is going to build me a logging page, right? Don't need this. Yeah, I need this, but not right now. We have Firebase CLI in our system, so maybe we're gonna use that for like connecting our Firebase and project right here. So keep it for this. I'll help you to modify the logging page. Light gray background image. Okay, let's just render this. So yeah, it is using. Why didn't it? Why don't we run this and see the magic of this Claude AI? Yeah, for like front end, I am solely on like AI on. Like I have to, cause it's making like we are making a big project, like medium project, not a big project. So we need any assistance or like some assistance from AI also. So that's why I'm using Claude, which is the best for UI right there. Again, it crashes with some Gradle files. Yeah, we have to solve this. So now we're gonna copy this, but let's just see for the version 1 and we're solving plugin. Maybe it's some and yeah, we for state management we are going to use getx for sure. Like I'm learning getx right now, so means some files are either corrupted, partial or logged another process. So close, delete Gradle caches. Wow, nice. That's good thing. We have big error of Gradle before even starting some of our UI things. That's a good start for project, right? Chat GPT needs to be calm. So Okay, so we need to open JDK, JDK and task and drag in Java and task. Yeah, this done. Flutter clean. Uh, okay. And settings Gradle, we need to add this line, right? So let's mm, wow, why it's taking so long, bro? It is taking so much time. Resend a confirmation mail. Okay, might be because of I didn't verify my email. Okay, now let's just try to run this. If it didn't work, then okay. Begin. Oh, wow. So we need models. That's like that's why it's taking so much time. You cannot use free credits with this provider. Then can you give me a free one? Like, do we have any filter for it? Nah, we don't have one, right? Let's just go to another page and try to use another models. Yeah, they are not available on interface, and why they are like putting the model just for using APIs on other apps. That's it should work on this. Nah. For some reason, like every model is refusing us to build, like make that image. Wow. No mind, we like will see that later for thumbnail, but this nah. It will notify me afterwards. So what we are doing is we are in step 2 right now, so make sure you are not referencing a broken or unofficial plugin. So this plugin is not commonly used. If you edit this, manually remove or comment it out unless it's strictly needed. This maybe experimental or of miscon. Okay, so where it is firstly it is okay. Settings Gradle kit, yes. Maybe okay. So don't have that line right there, and yeah, we have that. So we're gonna comment it out for sometimes, and okay, now Flutter upgrade. We're gonna like we'll update our Flutter, make sure version. Okay, want to keep these changes recommended to get stash, or else commit the changes to a local branch if it is okay. Your Flutter checkout has local changes. This would be a raise by upgrading. If you want to keep the changes, it is recommended to stash. No, force it, force it, force it, force it. Okay, so we are upgrading our Flutter from 3.32.5 from 3.32.2. Okay, so we have some extra features in our Flutter. That's why they like release update, right? Let's see what I'm watching my stream only. That's the dumbest thing I'm doing right now. Now we don't need this. Okay, shed out of here, and we have updated Flutter right here, and you need to check this. Let's just I'll directly jump on step 4 because we have already done that before. We don't need to build a APK though. If it works, then that's fine. I'm going to start my stream with using like some webcam, or I don't have any webcam on my laptop right now, so although I have a ROG, let's just show what's my specs is. That's the thing. I have Intel Core i7 10 Gen 2 260 gigahertz and RAM 16 GB of it. I have 6 GB graphic card, which is a 1660 Ti, and storage of 477, which is a 250 like 5 512 GBs. Yeah. So, and this is the name of my ROG Strix G7. Yeah, I have a ROG laptop. Maybe it take time. Can you run this right now? Like, let's just try that. Hope so it run smoothly without any errors and Gradle errors and all. It will work, I think. Damn bro, didn't even. It's taking so much time. Today I skipped my gym for this. Didn't connect with. Okay. Reload. It is initializing my Flutter dependencies and SDKs and all. Let's just wait. Like, don't have to rush for anything. Damn, bhai. एक तो now we have YouTube thumbnail size. YouTube thumbnail size. We have 2128720. Okay. 1287280. Like ChatGPT did give me one thumbnail, but it's half the thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, everything is done. Might be like it should work now. We have no device in our. Okay. Updating Flutter taking so much time. let's just see how our thumbnail will look like after telling my ChatGPT to resize it in one like 1280 720. It is completed. Let's just wait for some seconds, some minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. We have our thumbnail right there in front of us. Let's go. So we'll save it. Surely it is at 2.2 MB. We're gonna compress it. Image compressor. We have ChatGPT image. Okay. So now we'll upload our thumbnail. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Save it, and again, greetings, guys. Welcome to my stream. Every time I start my stream and there we have some problems in our app or in my internet or any. Why God, why? I I am working on like one app which is my internship app, but it's a live project. That's why I can't stream on that. But surely I can stream on my apps. But for some reason that didn't they don't work on. Oh wow, nice. We have another. Fuck, 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 bro, fuck. That's shittiest thing. The Gradle is the shittiest thing in ever. Ever see, bro. Ever see. I solve this shit, bro. There is no enough space on the disk. Wow. We don't have space on our disk right there. Okay, so can which errors we have other than that? Okay. Yeah, we'll try after removing some unwanted things from our. Oh, yeah. So this one. Okay, so we have. This is my weekly reports of my internship. That's why I can't. God damn, bro. God damn. We can't uninstall this, or else I'm gonna bored myself. When I'm not coding or anything. Date ocean. We have all the things important right here in a C drive. How can I? Maybe I need to like restart my fail to download your network connectivity. Try again. Wow. We're gonna close this. For, we have one views, live views. Okay, we don't have live views. So let's let's see which we have 2 GB. Why this happens on every stream? Wow, don't need this for sure. Don't need this shit for sure. Also this one. Okay, and this one. So we don't need this. Skip it. We are using बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है भाई. Final report. I have built like the project in Flutter which was looking like this. It was best. It was best project for me. Yeah, it is best project. It was looking like this. Like for I won't share details. Just check it on my GitHub. You can try it out also by downloading those projects and run it on emulator or on your app, building API out of it. So yeah, what was I doing? Like just control panel, We are gonna delete some programs. Wow. Okay. I have much on my laptop still, it's taking so much. Maybe the reason is this one, Gradle. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let's check it out on storage. Storage, temporary files. We have temporary files more than that. Okay, system error memory dump files. Remove those fucking files. Okay, now we don't have. We have some space right there. 223 GBs. Yeah, we have 5 GB now free. And I need to need now need like extra space or SSD right there in my laptop. Let's just help me. We have 10 files. We need to delete these things. Try again. Permission to make straight wide. Temp files. It's showing 5 GB. Yeah, Android have some caches right there, which I'm gonna delete it. Like, let's just delete full folder. Now it will work, I think. It should work. I am exhausted now. If this don't work, I'm like ending this stream right here and right now. And just like how many minutes? Where did it show? Yeah, 55 minutes. I didn't did anything, just making thumbnails and solving like already created error, not by me, just by Flutter only. Don't know why. Yeah, it should work. Obviously, it will work. I have faith in my on my laptop. On yeah, damn, bro. It should work now. building this like ABK first time. Yeah, it it works. It works right there. Let's go. So as expected, like Sonnet didn't build same as what I have provided in my like image right there, and yeah, so we need to like edit those thing and build it again. Not a build it again, just going to edit it. So let's just start with to remove order from filled. Flutter and also style is shoulder. So here we gonna make some views which we called screens, and on in service we gonna handle backend logic, and in models we gonna have some data models which is string users and all, and in view model we have front end logic. That's it. So yeah, I'm fucking bored now. Let's just start it. Now remove a border and style plus holder, then hint style. Okay. Where do we have our text field? Text field. Yeah, we have text field. Yeah, right here. So we have hint text or label text. So we don't have hint text. So we are mm, need hint text. Enter your email or anything, right? So just make that and style. Yeah, and style. Just need to this not this screen also only. Style text style to gray. So no, we don't need gray. We need blue, I think. Like I don't remember. Yeah, bit blue, bit kind of blue, not fully blue. Can can AI give me this colors? So we have mainly two colors only, gray, blue, and yeah, we have blue only. So just copy this and tell my make another file to reuse this colors. Don't want to waste this time on shady things, and also this one. So it will make another file, a create file. Wow, damn, bro. Not ask agent, bro. Your agent. Damn, why it is asking me? Now make another file called colors dot which want my colors and of my app, which is this and this, I think. We'll create yeah, utils, and inside that app colors, private patterns, initialization. Yeah. So for using those colors, I'm gonna import it and use it colors dot app color. What's the name of this app colors? App colors, app colors dot secondary blue, right? Oh man, I'm not a primer blue, bro. Secondary blue. It does seems like a, and we want background of white only. We don't need any inside that container. Child in center we have this and we have form, so we don't need gray, right? We need white, then use white. Okay, so need to change this background color right there. Okay, safe area, scaffold, child view, then form, change background color, change ground color to full white. Now I'll change my background color to fully white and then standby now eventual ते तो खबर है क्या पड़ा. So now we have white color in our background maybe. No, still we don't have. Still we don't have any background white color. So does it look like any other? And back button border login, right? We have style and this, and font size should be 20. No, not 18. 18 would be fine for sure. 18. 16 would be best. So align this in center right, not a center, just center, bro. And we need this forgot password and gray color, so style this text style and color into primary gray. Colors dot gray, and I think the space between is bit larger. No. Yeah, 16 would be best. More 14. Yeah, damn, that's nice looking. And we want little bit bigger forgot password, so font size 14. 16. Ready. Same thing will be in this. Instead of using this label text, we're gonna use this and remove this password. And yeah, now we don't need borders around our border input, none. So we don't need borders, right? Okay. Inside border na? Where do I need to place this? We don't need borders, although we need circular, symmetric, horizontal, vertical, physical, we don't need borders. We don't need borders, but we need radius. Not a visible border, I still want a rounded corner radius. But none. Converting container decoration border radius. So we okay. That would be fine. We'll try on this. Refactor with our container and creation, yeah. We don't see anything other than okay. first let's just remove button and at okay, okay. I don't see anything padding. Okay. Yeah, nice. Gray should be bit. I think fill color should be 400. सो रहा हूँ